Alright, welcome back to my channel, Urban Assault RC. We got something new to show you guys today. We got the Losi Super Lasernut. This was pre-opened when I got it. I took it out last night, did a couple modifications, so it's ready to drive. Let's see what we got here. Sure, the radio's in this box. Let's get this car out of here. Yeah. She is pretty big. Haven't drove it, just turned it on. I got my steering correct, adjusted the steering, drilled out all the tires, plugged up the vent holes in the middle so you don't get dirt inside your tires. Did that to all 5. I adjusted this battery tray. That way I can fit one single 6S in there instead of having that hump in the middle. These are glued in so they don't move. Like I said, I have not drove it. You can tell how clean these tires are. I only tested it out in the house with the steering adjustments and making sure it all worked. Cut off the factory connector, put on an XT90 so I can run my single 6S packs. Got the radio in this box. DX3 transmitter, which I do like these DX3s. It's a really good radio. And those are the only modifications I have. Was I drilled out all the tires, sealed all the center of the wheels so I don't get dirt in there. I tightened all the screws, make sure nothing was loose. Just getting it prepped to go take this thing for a rip. And this is the 1/6 Super Lasernut. This is one big RC car. This has licensed BFD tires on it. Now this is my little workbench I use to work on my cars. Can't wait to take this thing for its first rip. I did adjust the front droop screws just a tad bit so I don't pop an axle out like some other people have. This thing is ready to go.